So if we look at this, I can see epi is the layer that wraps around the entire structure. And this is the skeletal muscle or organ. Peri wraps around these individual, what they call muscle fascicles or bundles. And then the tiny little muscle fibers on the very inside are wrapped with endomysium. So let's do a little drawing with that. What was the very outside? Epi. What was the very inside? Endo. So if this is a muscle group, or they called it a muscle organ, right? Skeletal muscle organ. And it has many little bundles inside of it. Okay, these bundles are wrapped with perimysium. So this outside is epi, and mesium we said was muscle tissue, so we can leave that out. Perimysium is these bundles. Another way to say bundle is muscle fascicle. It's just bold words that you guys have to memorize. And inside each of these bundles, obviously a bundle is a set of something. Inside each of these bundles is a muscle cell. They call it a muscle fiber or a cell. It's the very, very smallest component for these structures. And it is wrapped by endomysium. So we have epimysium is the organ. Perimysium is the muscle fascicle or bundle. And I could use either or for definition. And then endomysium is basically the muscle fiber or cell, and it's the very innermost, or the innermost. So again, the very outside is epimysium, right? We see that. The middle, the bundles are perimysium. And then the very inside, the tiny little cells that they're pulling out here are wrapped with endomysium. And this is all there are different types of connective tissue, or different layers of connective tissue. What is the tendon? What is aponeurosis? Well, the endomysium, perimysium, and epimysium come together to form your tendons. They're the connective tissue attachment that connects to bone. So muscle to bone is always a tendon. And aponeurosis is just a modified tendon.